guys, this is Grandzilla, and I have here a 1/20th scale Hammerhead Shark by Fade to Black Productions. It's a sculpt by Bill Wieger. I usually do Kaiju models or monster models, but I won this kit at G-Fest, and I made a base for it to help display it a little bit better. It tried to make like sand with coral on it. I made it out of insulation foam, which I coated with Durham's water putty and put some texturing on it. This kit is pretty nifty. I got it, like I said, as a prize at G-Fest 25, which was in 2018. And it's not something I probably would have bought on my own because I'm not really a collector of this kind of thing, but it's pretty cool. Nice and streamlined, looks like a shark. I was thinking about ways I could use it in for a kaiju type thing, and one thing I did have was this Satsuma sub that I'm thinking would be pretty close to the right scale. Maybe it's a little bit small, but it could be a really big shark with it. That maybe I could make a similar stand for it and get rid of this stand and have them in a diorama with a GMK Godzilla. That would be a very big one, but probably go in scale with my Blackheart GMK bust. Anyway, I got this for pretty cheap at Wonderfest. But I wanted to show this shark to you because I thought it was pretty neat, and they were selling these at G-Fest at Kaiju Modeler. I didn't see what they were charging for them, unfortunately, but this is the box for it. And it was a lot of fun to build and make the base for, and it's pretty neat. So thanks for watching, as always, and I promise I'll get you some kaiju videos soon. I also won a Archelon turtle, prehistoric turtle, which is also, of course, an undersea water thing, so maybe that'd be a good companion to go with this. Alright, till next time, bye.